everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content, and if you're watching this, today is the Brewed Beauty Collab, hosted by Alex from Makeup Addict 1992. Also in the collab is Char from Char's Fashion Nation, Johna from My Nails and More by Johna, and Erica from Erica Sue's Nail and More. This week's theme is just do what you want. So I got the Aurora Struck palette, and if you watched the video before this, or last week on Friday, me and Alex got the palette at the same time and did a little mini collab. I think I'm gonna dip back into that, and I'm just gonna play. That's what I like to do. And so that's what I'm going to do. I think I did a lighter look before, but I think I want to dive into some of these bluer tones and purple tones. So let's just get into it. So I already did my foundation. Hopefully that's not a mistake. So let me see here. I think I want to go into Journey, which is that light blue color there. And I'm going to go in the inner corner with that. So how's everybody doing? I look forward to doing the collab videos. I love schedules, so it gives me something to look forward to and to schedule my time out. My mom is watching Heidi right now, so got a little free time to film. Excuse the helicopter as it blasts over my house. We have a level 1 trauma unit at the hospital, so I'm sure that's what's going on, unfortunately. It's a pretty color. I don't know what's going on here. This little dent thing I got going on. I think I'm dehydrated. I've been working out in the yard a lot. And I broke my handle off my favorite cup. Crappy. I tried gluing it back on with E6000, and then I tried this glue specifically made for ceramic, and it won't stay on. Alright, do I want to go into any greens? Blue, green, and purple, huh? I don't know yet. But I think I'm going to go into Stormy Much, which is like a really dark, like muted blue. I don't know. Let's see what we can do. I just want to play around, so. I thought it was going to be darker. Oh, we're going to do that little game we do where my eye resists eyeshadow. I love that game. My makeup placement will probably be a little different than yours because I have hooded eyes, extremely hooded eyes. what? This has just been recent. Like, this part of my eyelid, and I put primer on and all that, it resists eyeshadow, and I kind of have to pack it in there. It's a pretty color. It's called Stormy Much. I'm going to bring that. I am going to blend this out, guys. It's weird because this eye is not as hooded as this eye is. So this one always kind of looks messy. As in when I look up, that one fold. But whatever. It is what it is, right? I'll take aging over not aging, right? I'm going back into Journey. And I'm going to just brighten that up a little bit. I like this brush a lot. This is one of Manny's brushes. And I'm going to blend that. I don't know, that's looking kind of weird, but whatever. Alright, let me get a soft brush I can blend with. Go with that one. They always look different. It's so weird. I don't care though. It's makeup, right? It comes off. Alright. So what do I want to do now? There's so many colors to choose from. I kind of want to do something purpley. So I think I'm going to go in with Comet Seeking, which is that purple right there for the center. And I'm going to try it with a brush first. And then if I don't like how it's applying with a brush, then I'll use my finger. I'm trying to remember that brush I used last week. It worked out pretty good. Let me see if it's this one. Alright, so we're going into Comet Seeking. That's what it looks like on the brush. My husband hates purple eyeshadow, which just makes me want to wear it more. Alright, I'm going to go in with my finger. So that's what it looks like. That's better. That's so pretty. Alright, I'm going to do it the same way on the other eye. Do the brush first. Yep, finger seems to be better for that color. That's pretty. And it kind of makes me want to put like a shimmer, like a blue shimmer over top that blue. Let me see if I can find a smaller. Maybe I'll try one of these sponges. Alright, so I'm going to go into, what do I want to do? Do I want to do Feeling Wavy or So Lit? And this one's Feeling Wavy. This one's So Lit. They kind of have bluish. I don't know. I think I'm going to do the So Lit. Just for a little shimmer over that blue. See it? Ooh. I mean, come on, the Aurora is sparkly, right? It's a weird texture, that shadow. I'm gonna bump that right into the purple. Oh my gosh, I love this palette. Oh, it just fell down on my cheek, I think. That's pretty. Oh yeah, we're going back into Comet Seeking. Oh, did I just touch my nose with that? I sure did. Wow, that's so sparkly. I love it. They always say you're not supposed to wear sparkles after 50. I say, do what you want. You want to get up and put the Aurora palette all over your face at 90 years old, you should be able to do it, right? It washes off. I don't know. What do you guys think? That's pretty cool. I might go a little crazy and go to Arctic Fox, which is this green shimmer right here. And maybe go up on the brow bone just to bring a little more of an aura color. I'm just going to do it light. It's not really showing up. Maybe I need a different brush. No. Alright, but we gotta do it the same one. And it seems like it is showing up a little bit. Just want to go on the edges. I can see it a little bit in the camera. On the mirror down here, it's showing up much better. Alright, let's go into Feeling Wavy on the top row. And just go over top that a little bit. Yes. Alright, I think that is going to do it for my do whatever I want look. I'm going to pause you, put some eyeliner on and mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I used this eyeliner by BH Cosmetics. I can't see the name. So anyway, I did this eyeliner. I used my Level Up mascara by ColourPop. And this is my look. A little patchy there, but that's not the eyeshadow. That's my eyelid acting like a nut. I'm going to use Jeffree Star as the gloss. I don't know what color it is. It has purple reflex. And that is my look. So, that's the Aurora Struck palette by ColourPop. That's my look for today. Please go and watch all the other girls in the collab, especially Alex from Makeup Addict 1992, who is hosting this collab. And then there is Char from Char's Fashion Nation, Johna from My Nails and More by Johna, Erica from Erica Sue Nail and More. I'll have all their channels listed down below. Please go over and say hello. Sorry about that. I had to take that phone call. That was my stepson. Apparently, his visit with his mom only lasted 20 minutes. So, all right, there's that. All right, so please go watch everybody else. Hit that notification bell if you like this kind of content and want to be notified every time I upload. I hope you have a great day, and I hope you enjoyed this look. This is a beautiful palette, the Aurora Struck palette. And until next time, I'll see you next week. Bye.